Hello and welcome. So today we're going to be having a look at the OXO Good Grips peeler. This is the vertical peeler. Right, so I've got a carrot here for peeling to demonstrate. It's very basic. Obviously you've got the pivoting blade here, which is not too sharp. You've got the little bit for popping out roots from potatoes. So the body has this like rubberized texture for gripping, and then it's got two indentations for holding. I tend to hold it like this, and it will peel like this. So I'll give you a demonstration now. So what I'll do is, okay. So it's a pretty good peeler. And I feel this is the safest way, at least the way that I was taught to do it. Alternatively, you can just hold it and do it like that. Okay. So it's not too bad, it cleans up pretty well, just with a brush. Yeah, and that's it really. So there you go, you can see it's quite a quick and effective peeler. It's very comfortable and easy to hold. And you can see it works nice and easily. So that's it. That's the OXO Good Grip peeler.